Tumulekera bono ayanda bakagokorekane kina kibwatira nti abakaiguru batatu abo bono babetse bakumurusia na kumugokora maiso mwana Sagini umwaka wetu mutenyo 12 niga bakagira obona sentunde ndande yomweri obike wasike gambero kyomo cyobosongo Kisii lokota aseri tokolia lero no kuna cyo gwikerwa na bokorenga no mona chebi no monene nigo abatata bwogati yabongina koro mwana yo nigo batoka na momocho asokonyara kumurusia maiso omwana Sagini nigo chinga kichumwegererio oye George Murara oyibonole kwegerero mwana Sagini aberega ko ene kibono abakagero ubatato nigo bonekina kyabo kego cyoso ogukumeru kwabo kora bekogo somo bene stariki 20 mo umutenyega ogatano na kabere nekagere buna batata ubonsi mbachigosibwa egesibo kyobugima
abakagerwa batatu abo basoyereire nelimo cholio kumugokora amaiso omwana bwe myaka 3 Junior Sagini gati tariki 13 na 14 umutinyo 12 umwaka w'ekiri 2022 ase chinsemo cha ikuruma marani sub county county ya Kisii mbanyorekana na mamocho ayo basoyereire igoro yekebekyo korengana no monachi ebina omone bwekegambero gya Kisii Christine Ongweno.
By this evidence, the two only became aware of the commission of the offense after it was completed by the first accused person. Section 20, subsection 1C, on the other hand, provides that every person who aids or abets another in committing the offense is deemed to have taken part in committing the offense and to be guilty of the offense and may be charged with actually committing it. Aiding and abetting means to assist in the commission of a crime or to be an accomplice. The Court of Appeal in John Ouma, Awino and another versus Republic held that the elements of the offense have been variously expressed but encompass proof that the person knew that his acts would assist the commission of the crime by the perpetrator.
Ekina kiagambiri twatwati mention twatwari chi hearing abashahidi bakire aho kuri ubashahidi bwabo sitakabadi chaletwa se court lakini asiri tukori lero senior resident magistrate Christine Ogweno naikera buna abatata abare Alex Ochogo Pacifica Nyakerario na Rael Nyakerario batokire neri mocho yokurusio mwana Sagini amaiso.
Korengana na mwakili George Murara nigo enekebuna batatabu mbachigosibwa korengana na mamocho abo.
Ntubwati tofauti yege fungo baraebwe yege fungo keroro kia o bose bakorete ekebeki gya koretwe no bosibwa ase maisha.
Alex Ochogo, Pacifica Nyakerario na Rael Nyakerario nigo baikigwa bosio bwekegambero ase omona chebina omone arugo chikabuna batatabo bagendera koba ase erumande elichiroboti bene chigendera koligererigwa echo cyo kubakumera ase bono batatabo barachi gukumerwa chitariki 20 omotenyi ogatano na kabere omwaka w'ekiri 2023 ekero chiroboti echo chiraikiranigwe.
So we will take 2 weeks so that a victim impact statement, a social inquiry report, together with a pre-sentencing report to be filed. We'll come back for sentence hearing on 21st of July this year at 10 a.m. The victim, together with the victim's caregiver, may attend proceedings if they so elect.
Kuripota ya Egetaseni kia Ndizi TV, Letariane, Mildred Momanyi.